if you've been looking at the Thrustmaster Raceline Pedals 3 and wondering whether they're actually worth your money, I've spent some time using them, and here are my honest thoughts. Overall, the build quality feels solid right out of the box, with a nice amount of weight that keeps them planted during intense racing sessions. The pedal resistance is noticeably improved compared to entry-level sets, giving you a more realistic braking feel, especially if you're into sim racing. The throttle response is smooth and predictable, which makes it easier to control acceleration mid-corner. I also like the adjustable layout, which lets you fine-tune positioning for comfort. That said, they are not perfect. The brake can feel a bit stiff for beginners, and there is a slight learning curve if you're upgrading from basic pedals. But once you adapt, the precision really stands out. For the price, they sit in a competitive spot, especially for serious sim racers. Overall, I'd say they're a strong upgrade if you're ready to step up your racing setup.